Once again, we want to welcome you aboard United Express inbound to Washington Dulles. At United, we're creating the most flying-friendly airline system, so I hope you have a pleasant experience with us today. Assisting in cabin is Samantha Denise. Our flight time is going to be 1 hour and 4 minutes. We're pleased to welcome you aboard the newest aircraft in our fleet, the Embraer 175. This aircraft offers more personal space, expanded overhead compartments. Customers in first class have access to power outlet only. Feel free to access for any assistance. Please be advised the lavatory in this aircraft is now equipped with 2 oxygen masks in the event of a sudden change in cabin pressure. We ask that you please pause, direct your full attention to the following important safety demonstration. The main cabin door is now closed. All large portable electronic devices must be turned off and stowed at this time. If you plan to continue using your small, lightweight devices, please make sure your device is set to airplane mode or the cellular service is turned off. These devices must be secured in a seat back or garment pocket or held. At United, we are creating the most flyer-friendly airline, and it's our hope that you have a pleasant experience with us today. Please direct your full attention to the front of the cabin for an important safety announcement. In preparation for departure, be sure all carry-on items are stowed in an overhead bin or underneath the seat, and that all seat backs and tray tables are in their upright and locked position. Because of our interest in safety, we would like to take a moment to explain the use of the emergency equipment on board this Embraer 175. Please remove the safety information card located in the seat pocket in front of you and follow along. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To adjust the fit, pull the loose strap away from you so that the belt is low and tight. To open, simply lift up on the faceplate of the buckle. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort. If there is a sudden change in cabin pressure, the compartments above your seat will automatically open and an oxygen mask will be within your reach. Take the mask in your hand and pull the mask out of the clip and pull down to start the flow of oxygen. The bag will not inflate, but oxygen will be flowing. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and secure it by placing the elastic strap over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and continue to breathe normally. Continue to use the mask until a crew member advises you that supplemental oxygen is no longer needed. If you are seated next to someone that may need your assistance, please secure your mask first and then secure their mask. In the unlikely event of a water landing, your seat bottom cushions have been designed as flotation devices. Pull up on the cushion to remove it and take it with you to the nearest usable exit. When exiting the aircraft, place your arms through the strap and hug it to your chest. This aircraft is equipped with infant life vests. In the event of a water landing, the flight attendant will hand the infant life vest to the adult with an infant and provide further instructions. There are 4 emergency exit doors. Each door is equipped with an emergency evacuation slide. 2 exits are in the front of the aircraft, and 2 exits are in the rear of the aircraft. Exit signs located overhead identify these exits. This aircraft is also equipped with emergency escape path lighting. In the event of an evacuation, these lights will illuminate. Follow the floor lights to the closest exit, keeping in mind an exit may be located behind you. Federal aviation regulations require that you continue to observe the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs at all times when illuminated. All passengers must comply with lighted signs, posted placards, and instructions provided by your crew. Regulations also prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. May I remind you that smoking is not permitted on any United Express flight. We will be taking off soon. Once again, please make sure your large portable electronic devices are turned off and stowed. Small lightweight devices must be switched to airplane mode and secured. Your tray table and carry-on items must also be stowed. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. On behalf of both the ground crew and the flight crew, we would like to invite you to relax and enjoy the flight. The cabin lights will be turned off in a moment. If you do need additional lighting, please use the reading lights which are located in the passenger service unit located above your head. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, or if we can make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.